When your business has found its rhythm, it hums along at a dependable pace with the reliability of a finely tuned piece of machinery. The best way to keep that machinery finely tuned? Monitor its performance, its health, to catch small problems before they become large ones. Easy enough when you can check things out with your own eyes, but what about when the problem lies somewhere deep within the equipment? For the last 40 to 50 years, the industry standard to monitor bearing wear has been the proximity probe, if you can afford the substantial cost and equipment downtime to install it. What if there were an easier way to detect when a problem could be looming? Introducing the Insight Force Detection System. The beauty of the Insight FDS is its cost-efficient and uncomplicated installation. It attaches to the outside of the bearing casing, so there's no need to disassemble equipment or endure extensive downtime to put a monitoring system in place. With less downtime and easier installation, you'll be able to see what's happening with your machinery at a fraction of the cost of traditional proximity probes. We have also developed a model for engine compressors that is UL hazard certified. This model is currently the only solution for monitoring the health of main bearings on large bore engines and reciprocating compressors. Here is a side-by-side comparison of an accelerometer, a proximity probe, and our new Insight Force Detection System. All three types of systems are installed on this fluid film bearing. The accelerometer is used sometimes because of the cheap price and non-invasive install, but the data isn't always accurate. The proximity probe has more accurate data than the accelerometer, but each probe costs substantially more, as well as having an invasive installation requiring the machine to be down for a long period of time. The Insight FDS has cleaner, more accurate data than either of the two systems. It's approximately half the cost of probe sensors, and the installation is non-invasive, while oftentimes allowing for no downtime on your machines. You'll get the same accurate data along with greater usability. You'll save time and money, and your business will continue to hum along at a dependable pace. The Insight Force Detection System. Technology so advanced, it's simple. To learn more, visit VoyagerInstruments.com.